Hey y'all, join me as I get ready to make breakfast. I got my pancakes, my eggs. I do have some ham going, but this is me making my pancakes. I'm getting the mix all nice and smooth. Next, I'm using the Country Crock plant butter to put down for my pancakes. And now you guys are gonna see me flipping them bad boys. Yes ma'am. There we go, period. Nice. I'm taking a rest because I'm like, okay, what do I do next? Ham. Perfect. Let's get it going. Got that meat sitting on there, trying to make sure it's not burning, it's not overcooking. Being a multitasker, because that's what us moms do, right? We multitask. I got everything off. I start cleaning up. Then I do my eggs, because eggs always go last. You already know it. Got to do my eggs last so that way they be fresh, because nobody likes cold eggs, like, period. I don't know who likes cold eggs, but yeah, nobody. So you got to get it nice and yellowy, and just, I put a little milk in mine, but to each his own. Yes ma'am. And here's the final results. This is breakfast. Yes, you know you want some. So here I am serving the kids, and we're gonna see, we got a good one. Is it good? Is it good? Oh yeah, we got a dance. That means it's good, y'all. Y'all already know. My baby gonna give us a thumbs up. Let's see. Yay, we got a thumbs up. 2 of them. Let's go. Thanks for joining us, guys.